watching this video, does this person still love you? So yes, this is a reading about somebody who you want to know whether they still love you or not. Okay, so we have 4 different options here. There are no fancy options, there are no fancy objects. Yes, it's just plain and simple 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to select one option out of these 4 options. Now this video, yes, before we begin anywhere with this video, this is like a timeless reading. Okay, whenever you watch this video, whenever you open this video, whatever is being said in this video is going to be valid for you. This video is a general reading. Okay, so there could be certain things that will resonate with you, there will be certain things that will not resonate with you. Whatever resonates, you have to keep it. Whatever does not resonate, you have to let it go. I am Preeti. I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years I have reached more than 50,000 plus people, yes, through the mode of tarot, just sharing this with you so that you know that you are in good hands. Okay, so yes, now let's get started. Just in case if you selected the option number 1, does this person still love you or not? The cards actually say that, okay, the answer is no, that person does not love you. Okay, that person could have sneaked out long back. They have some other emotions for other people, other person, yes, but they definitely don't have any feelings for you. Okay, so now along with this, I just want to pull out some additional cards so that you can get more clarity, right? You are not left broken, you are not left abandoned, like you just are not left incomplete by just this answer. Okay, I want to give you more clarity, so yes, we are pulling out some, we are getting some more cards. So this person does not love my viewer anymore. For the option 1, what are the other messages that the universe wants to give? Okay, so let's see what are the messages that are coming in. What are the messages the universe wants to give? Okay, so yes. So first of all, the cards say that, okay, catalyst, ignite, fuel, torch, fan the flames, infuse, breathe, kindle, spark, effort. Okay, so this person, yes, there has to be some kindling of the love that is needed, if in case if you want that person again starts feeling for you. But if that is not an option, right? See, there is sometimes an option when you can get in touch with them, or somebody else can get in touch on behalf of you and rekindle your feelings for that person, in that person's mind. Okay, but just in case if that is not possible, then that person is gone forever. Okay, but yes, the cards do say that there are chances that the flame of love can be rekindled in this person. Next we have is this card: established, ambition, experience, sexuality, achievement, longevity, mature, career, virtue, development, retired. Okay, so this person is, maybe this person is looking for somebody who's established, they are trying to get established. Maybe this is why they don't have any more feelings for you. Okay, the next card we see here is crossroads, journey, multiple choice. So yes, as I said earlier, that person has already sneaked out. They have feelings for somebody else, and they have some other options. Okay, I'm not saying option, I'm saying options. So they have more than one option. You are already sidelined out, and there are somebody already in their life for whom they may have feelings. So yes, so there is nothing possible now. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye. Okay, just in case if you selected the option number 2, okay, so for the option number 2, whether this person has feelings for you, yes, the card actually says yes, they have feelings for you, but at the same time, this person has gone far away from you. They do have feelings, but I think they have hopelessly moved away from you because they just think that nothing can be done in this relationship. Okay, so because we have this, I would like to get further guidance on this reading for the option number 2. Okay, for option number 2, what is the further? Okay, we already have 3 cards. So first of all, this card actually says yes, whatever that person has concealed what they are feeling. So just in case, even if somebody they meet that person, yes, they're just crossing paths and they meet each other, that person will still not try to show that they have feelings for you. So they are masking their feelings. Okay, they are masking their feelings and they are trying to hide it. They are they are trying to show that they don't have any feelings for you. Excuse me. So that is what is happening. The second card we see is okay, Lost, forgotten, discouraged, absent-minded, defeated, down and out. Okay, so this person feels that your relationship has ended. They feel that yes, that they already have lost you as a person. They already have lost you as a relationship, and they are feeling defeated, and they are already trying to move on. Okay, the next card we see here is the card. It says culmination of effort, completion, abundance, fulfillment, release. Okay, so this card says that yes, that person, though that person has feelings, this card says nothing can be done here, so you just have to let go. You just have to let go and move on, so that yes, you can actually the positive time that you are waiting for has come. Now it doesn't mean that that person was not good, which is why when they went, positive time is coming. It doesn't mean that. See, sometimes some relationships are just not meant to be, and when that person has moved away, both of you have taken the lesson from that relationship, and now both of you are moving away. Universe is going to bestow you with something good. It's going to gift you with something good, so that you can learn something from that relationship. You can feel rewarded for going through that experience. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video has helped you. Until next time, bye bye. So just in case if you selected the option number 3, whether that person still has feelings for you. So for this, we have okay, a very strong answer, that is a no. Okay, but we have two different cards here. Why it's a no, right? Why they don't have any feelings? Because this person has gotten away from relationships. This person has just you could say they have renounced their need, they have renounced their requirement to have a relationship in their life. They have already renounced it. They don't want to have a relationship. They don't want to have people around them. They are just not able to process emotions correctly, which is why they are not ready for a relationship. They don't want to be with you. Yeah, that. And yes, this card actually also is what has happened with them is, yes, they could be heartbroken. Something you did actually hurt this person, which is why they just feel that their willingness, their what you can say about it, you can say what their requirement was, what they needed wasn't taken into consideration, which is why they just feel that they don't have any feelings. They just feel heartbroken, they just feel abandoned, they just feel neglected, right? Which is why they feel, see, when a person feels neglected, when a person feels that their presence in a relationship does not matter anymore, they have already accepted that you don't have feelings for them, and which is why they have lost the hope of getting that relationship back. So they don't want to get that relationship back. They are already they have gotten over, so they don't have any feelings for you. So if you want to have any further guidance for that, let's see for the option number 3. So first of all, this card says transformation, change, active, renew, restless, arrive. Okay, so this card says your relationship with this person was actually meant for a transformation. Now that the transformation has already happened, yes, both of you are on different paths. Okay, but because we have this card, okay, we have both of these stars together, there are chances, I do feel that in future you are definitely going to come together, because yes, because these two are together. It could be that both of you have just parted ways, so that both of you can renew yourself, both of you can renew your energies and transform, so that both of you are ready to meet each other again after the transformation. And this card actually says that, okay, ether, prime element, source energy, akasha, unified field, soul spark, timeless binding force, trust, divine timing. So from this card it actually says that you are actually, it could be that you are connecting with the 5th dimension. It could be that you guys are twin flames, because twin flames are something that when they start growing on the spiritual level, you guys actually reach to quite a 5th dimension, 6th dimension, very high dimensions you reach. Very high dimensions you reach, from where after you reach those dimensions you are completely transforming yourself, you are completely transforming your lives, which is going to make that shift in the relationship. Okay, so so that is that for today's reading. Until next time, bye bye. Okay, so just in case if you selected the option number 4, this card actually says, first of all, yes, the answer for this question, right, whether that person already has feelings for you or not, right, whether that person still loves you or not, for that the answer is yes. Okay, both of these cards Actually, this sort of option, it usually has only one option, but here we had two cards, so, and both the cards are saying yes. Okay, so first of all, the card says that yes, this person is very thoughtful, very tactfully thinking, they are very sharp with their mind, they always know how to make out truth from deceit. Okay, so they are very sharp minded, which is why even if something may have gone wrong with the relationship, they have very minutely checked out each and everything, and they know that yes, they know what they feel, they know what they want. So yes, this person definitely has feelings for you. The next card, this says is Two of Pentacles. Yes, there was a hard time when things did not work out. There was a hard time when managing balance, maintaining the balance in the relationship was actually difficult, but this person still tried to juggle through it. This person still tried to shuffle through whatever priorities they had, shuffle through whatever responsibilities they had, and they still have the feelings for you. Okay, which is actually a good thing. Okay, let's pick out some extra cards, right? For the option number 4, what are the extra cards? Okay, so we have 3 different cards coming here. First of all, the card says yes, going places, adventure, vehicle, vacation, trip, enterprise. So this person could be wanting to go on a vacation, maybe, yes, maybe for the time being, the time that you have split up, or the time when you are not in contact. It could be that you may not be in touch, it could be that you may be far away, you may be in touch, you may be contacting just like on a formal basis, but still if you are in touch and yet you are not meeting personally. This card actually says that the person needed a vacation, they needed to get some time off so that they could get time to think, they could just release any negativity that was affecting the relationship. The next card, yes, next card is deception, jealousy, betrayal, backstab. So there is somebody in between both of you who has tried to deceive you, who has tried to betray you or backstab you. Okay, they have tried to backstab this person about whom you are watching this video, or that person has tried to backstab you, and they tried to do something to your relationship. Maybe because that person had feelings for either you or that person, which is why they tried to create a glitch, they tried to create a problem between you two so that they could get a chance, right, to be in the relationship. And the next we see here is, okay, so we see the card of coach, finance, with benefits, wealth, boss, CEO, mama bear, protective, strong. So somebody around that person was very protective, was acting protective, which is why they tried to betray you. They told them to betray you, they told them to not trust in you, etc. They might have told something like that, or somebody or the other is there in this, between you two, who is trying to create distance, who is trying to be protective. Out of being protective, that person has created some misunderstanding between you. They have tried to create some betrayal sort of situation for both of you. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video helps you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, try to share this video with other people. I will see you again in my next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel, and if there are additional questions, then you can book a reading. Yes, booking a reading will require to prepay for the reading, and then you will get the reading. And if after watching this video you feel highly interested in learning tarot, then by all means you can join my upcoming tarot class. All the details about my tarot class is given on my website. Link of my website is shared on the screen. Yes, please go ahead and check it out. You will have to join the wait list. Once the class is available, you will be getting all the information, yes, when you have joined the wait list. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.